Hi everyone, so I hope you're all well, and today I'm here to share another journal with you. So this one is a traditional festive style journal. It's just slightly bigger than a traveller's notebook. I think it's mainly ARTYmaze's things in here. I've used a lot of my freebie tags that I've put up over the last week or so, so you can find them over on my coffee shop, and you will find a link below to ARTYmaze, and you can check out all her Christmas kits. And also I've used pieces that are from TaylorMadeJournals, Tsunami Rose, and I'll point these things out as we go along. So this will be for sale with free shipping, which that offer will be ending real soon. But I also have, if I can get it, I also have this big journal. I've just put a lot of things. I've got a drawer with a lock on it that I put things in. So we've got this one here, which is a really chunky fabric covered journal. I think this one is called Christmas Time, I think. So I'll put a link to that below. There is also, that's free shipping, and there's also £10 off that as well, and that offer is ending tonight because it's been on there for like a week with that offer. So when I do my offers, I tend to do them for like a weekend or a week or whatever. So anyway, back to this one. So like I said, this will be listed in my shop. The measurements for this are 8, 4 3/4, 1 signature, 48 pages front and back, and love this paper from ARTYmaze. That, I think that's actually a freebie. So we've got a simple closure of some coffee dyed cotton, and you can see there's all that going on. So for the cover here, it has got a bit of an alligator mouth, but if you if you tie it tighter, I didn't have it tied that tight, so if you tie it tighter, obviously, you know, it's still with the alligator mouth when you open it, but it will be a little bit more flat. So I'm going to hold it like this so you can see here. We've got a pocket there with a tag. This is actually part of my old time Christmas kit, which I will link below. That comes in a full size, and as a bonus you get the Traveller's Notebook kit alongside it. So here I've just used, I think that was an envelope I used, and this again is from my old time Christmas. So you got to take that out, that flips up, and then we've got a pocket here with a tag. That is a freebie from my coffee shop, and I think this is from my old time Christmas, and it's just some coffee dyed paper there. This is from ARTYmaze, and that paper there, the background paper, is from ARTYmaze. So we just left that, and that holds that in place, and then that pops in there. But you do have to take that out for you to flip that up. Then here, well, we have got, that is from my old time Christmas. There's something else in here. Can I reach it? Yes, I can. Oh, it's just another piece from the old time Christmas kit. I literally forgot I'd used that. And that just pops in the side there, like so. So it's a little bit of a interactive cover. Right, so on the end, and as you can see, it's all been stitched as well. Just to double check here on the frame. Yep, all been stitched. This is ARTYmaze. I can't remember what kit, but it's one of the Christmas kits. That's ARTYmaze as well. So is this background tag. I think that might be a tag from the Christmas vintage days. This is, could be a freebie, could be from the old time Christmas. And here we have a lined piece of very lightly dyed paper, and I've just done that with my binder. Oh, one of these things here. Can't remember the last time I actually bound a journal, but it comes in handy. TaylorMadeJournals. Here, I need to take a little drink. Do you know, it was so cold. There was snow in some parts of the UK, and then today it's really mild and raining. So we've had the heating on. Sorry about all that noise with the water. Had the heating on, so it kind of chokes you up a little bit. Here I've made clusters. These are freebies, again, on my coffee shop. They are bigger than that, but I printed 2 to a page, and then I used my scallop die to punch out, well, not punch out, but to die cut the images, and then done a next size up so that I had something to back them on. Here we have a Christmas bunny, again a freebie. Envelope there is from one of ARTYmaze's kits, and it's just got some coffee dyed paper in there. Obviously for you to, you know, put your own things in. Here we have ARTYmaze paper. That's the same paper I used on the cover. Here we have got 2 tags. That is a freebie on my coffee shop. That is either a freebie or from the Old Time Christmas kit. Sorry, you can hear my grandson's downstairs making like strange noises. He'll get shouted at in a minute. He's he has been diagnosed recently with ADHD, and he's waiting to have other tests done, and we kind of knew there was something there because he has a lot of repetitiveness, like making noises, and that's what he's on today. He's just making all these noises, and then when you say to him, don't make that noise, right, he'll say, it's not me. I don't even think he knows he does it, bless him. So that's another freebie with the circles. Excuse me. That is ARTYmaze. That's a freebie, I know that much, and that is from ARTYmaze. That's called Christmas Collage Kit. ARTYmaze, we've got some fluffy trim here. This is from my Old Time Christmas kit. And that goes in there. That is ARTYmaze, and that is a freebie from me. Thank you to everyone who grabs the freebies and also buys me a coffee as well. Thank you very, very much. I do appreciate it. Helps me buy more crafty stuff. That's from my Old Time Christmas. That's a freebie. Oh, these are from Tsunami Rose. Is there any more in there that I used? Yep, they're from Tsunami Rose, and I made all them little clusters. Some trim here. Tsunami Rose there. That's from my Old Time Christmas. So is that. That is ARTYmaze. Love the robin. So I've nearly finished my little Christmas kit. I've just got to do some pockets and some tags, because I don't know how many times I've gone back to it thinking, oh yeah, I like that. And then I look at it the next day and I was like, I really don't like that now. So I just wipe it and start again. And when I met up with ARTYmaze last month, when I was in Cornwall, I was telling her, and she was like, don't wipe it away. Just keep it. You can always do something with it. And yeah, she's probably right. So yeah, she told me off for doing that. Yeah, the Old Time Christmas, ARTYmaze, Tsunami Rose. Journal space. You need some journal space. I mean, don't forget, you can journal on all these. You can journal on all the backs of them. Again, another cluster, and these from Tsunami Rose. You'll find a load of links below to lots of different designers where you can go over to their shop, whether it's on Etsy or it's their website or blog or whatever. And everywhere's got a search bar. In the search bar, type in Christmas, and all the Christmas things will come up. Or if you're looking for Easter or spring or something like that, just put in them keywords. Once you are on their shop, put in the keywords. So here we've got a little circle thing again. That is either a freebie or it is from my Old Time Christmas. Another Christmas bunny. How cute is the Christmas bunnies? Here we've just got a little envelope. Should put that there really, and it's just got a bit of coffee dyed paper in there, and that goes there. Here is a flip, and I'll show you there. So it's like that. We've got a cluster, and that is one of my freebies. Like I said, I printed 2 lots. You get 6. Is it 6? And I printed 2 to a page, so I had 12. So I've got some, because I'm actually working on a flip-flop Christmas journal. I keep saying I'm not going to make any more, but I think I'm getting addicted to them. Getting addicted to making Christmas journals. It's like, it will be sad when we stop and put all the Christmas stuff away. That's just a piece. I don't know where that's from. I think that's Tsunami Rose. But I love the look on their faces. They look a bit like, what trouble can we get up to? So yeah, that's there, and I sewed around that. and that's just holding it all in place. And then here we've got another side tuck with a little cluster and these scalloped circles. That's my freebie, and then I covered it over with the North Pole Trading Company. That is from my old time Christmas kit. It's just like a traditional, what I think is traditional anyway. This is from ARTYmaze, from her Christmas collage kit, and then obviously got some trim there. Then we've got some lined paper. Then we've got another pocket here with, that's ARTYmaze from the Christmas collage, and that is either a freebie or it's from my old time Christmas kit. Like I said, I will link that below, because I have had it out a couple of years, but then I only just re-released it on my coffee shop like this week, I think it was, because obviously I don't have my website anymore. I'm just using the coffee. I am going to go back to a website next year. I just got fed up with that one, and I was very restricted to designing it, and I just wanted like a new design, and I'm actually going to have a different like trading name. So that's what was one of the reasons. Just one of the reasons. There was a couple other, I think at one point, I think I'd been hacked. I was getting some strange messages on there, very strange messages. So yeah, this will be listed over on my coffee shop. Links will be in the description box below. Just hit underneath, it says more, hit more, and everything will come up. Yeah, check out my freebies, check out the other ladies that are linked below, because they've all got Christmas kits, like digital kits for you to have a little look at. And this is what I've just started, a little flip-flop one, which everything's all printed out. Just got to back some things, but I run out of paper, which I'm going to go and collect tomorrow from Tesco, like the thicker paper. I've got loads of the thinner Navigator paper, but it's the thicker one that I've run out of. So I'm going to give up for the night and go and spend some time with the grandkid downstairs, see what trouble we can get into. So yeah, so any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.